Saturday and I finally got a day off, and oh my god, I need this day off so badly. I feel like this week was really hectic and I have also injured my back again. I was planning to train this weekend. Yeah, that's just not gonna happen. But we move on. I'm just getting ready now because we are gonna drive to Hampstead, which is about half an hour away from where we live. And yeah, Cameron has to sort out some things there. And I'm gonna find myself a cute little cafe, maybe do some editing, and I think we're just gonna see what the weather is like a little bit later, maybe go for a walk or meet up with friends or Cameron's mum. Other than that, I don't really have any plans for this Saturday. I think I'm just gonna mainly spend it with Cameron, enjoy some quality time because we don't actually see each other that much during the week at the moment because we're both working. Yeah, I'm gonna continue getting ready now without talking to the camera because I get distracted. So yeah, I'll probably see you when we head to Hamel. Welcome back. I have just gotten in. We came back home a lot later than planned because we ended up going to Cameron's mum's house and we basically spent the whole afternoon there. And now I'm gonna make some dinner. I was thinking maybe some rice and then I'm gonna put some chicken in the oven, chop up some veggies that I've got at home, add some sour cream, maybe some guacamole, some cheese. Cheese makes everything better, right? So that's the plan. I'm gonna see what I've got here and yeah, then get cooking. Ready at the moment because I am meeting a friend in London today and I'm so excited to see her because we haven't managed to meet up in probably 2 months now because we've both just been quite busy, and then she has also just moved house, so she lives on the complete opposite side of London to me. We finally managed to organize a weekend where we have both time and we're just gonna meet somewhere in the middle, so somewhere in central London. Yeah, I think we're just gonna meet up in Victoria Park and then we're gonna have some food because she said there is a really cute food market there, and then I guess we're gonna do some vintage shopping or just go to some charity shops, have a little stroll around. But yeah, I am really excited to meet up with her today. It's literally the perfect day to catch up as well because the sun's out, we have blue skies, there's literally no cloud in the sky today. And yeah, I'm gonna get changed, put on some actual clothes, not just my pajamas, and then head out and meet up with Susie. take everything back. I said earlier, it's so freezing cold today, and yeah, I think we're still gonna have a wander around, but I need to sit in somewhere, have a cup of coffee or a tea, because yeah, it's so cold, and that's what I mean. London is so unpredictable. You think you get a nice warm sunny day and it's just not like that. Yeah, never underestimate London, because you just never know what you're gonna get. He's so cute. Nice though, it's like yeah, like green tea with a mixture of that nori leaf on like the market. Yeah, but it kind of works. Finished my dinner, and I think I mentioned it yesterday, but my back has been in quite a lot of pain because, yeah, long story, basically I've injured my back a while ago doing some deadlifts, and then I didn't take it seriously with recovery and just kept on ignoring it, which obviously isn't ideal. I've now decided to go to a professional to get my back checked out, and yeah, now I need to do some recovery for that, and my back has been feeling really tight all day, so I figured that I'm just gonna do a few stretches just to ease my pain a little bit, and hopefully I'll feel a little bit better afterwards.
Welcome. This is a 15-minute deep full body stretch.
Finished my stretches now. It's 8:15, so not too late, and I feel so much better now. Obviously those 10-15 minutes of stretching hasn't fixed the issue, but I do feel like the tension in my back has kind of eased off. Yeah, I'm glad that I feel a little bit better now, and because it's still quite early, I think I'm gonna read my book now for a little bit. I just started that yesterday evening, and I'm about 100 pages in. It's called Good Girl, Bad Blood, and it's the second book of the Good Girl's Guide to Murder series. And yeah, I got this off Vinted as well. There are literally so many books on Vinted if you want to buy secondhand books, just as a little side note. But yeah, I'm just gonna read my book now for a little bit to switch off. And yeah, thank you so much for coming along with me on this weekend. I know it was a little bit of a random video, not really much purpose, but I've really enjoyed making this video. So let me know if you enjoyed this kind of video, and yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye!